So there's Timmy, so happy and excited to see the seagulls at Lake Arlington, and Adam very faithfully filming. There are so many seagulls here today. I don't know if I can. I'm sitting in the van because this is I gotta sit down kind of a day. There were so many more just a minute ago when Timmy put a lot of food out. So very many more. Oh gosh, yeah, they all flew off that away. They were all swarming everywhere. There's still some. Oh, here, they're coming back now. Okay, good. It was so exciting to see them all. Let's see if I can get over here. So pretty. So peaceful. Just very nice.